Welcome to Sign Up Simple and my GetResponse tutorial for beginners. In this video, we will be learning how to create templates. This video is number 7 of 12 videos in this video series. And if you are not already signed up with GetResponse, I have provided a link in the description for you to use to sign up. An email template is a pre-designed layout that you are able to send to your clients. For example, when they sign up to your mailing list, you could have an autoresponder set up to send an email template thanking them for signing up. The first thing you are going to do is click Email Marketing, click My Templates, click Create Template, and we are going to name the template Welcome Autoresponder. And we are going to click Next. Notice that GetResponse has a number of pre-designed templates listed that you are able to use. You are also able to filter these templates by category. We are, however, not going to be using a pre-designed template. Instead, we are going to create our own template. So click Blank Templates, and we are going to use this template here. The first thing that we are going to do is add our logo. So we are going to click Add Image. Click Upload Files and drag logo into the upload area like so. Click the Add button, and then we are going to click Use to use the image. Notice that the vertical height is a little off. So click Edit. I'm going to crop out the vertical height by placing the bottom of the crop snug with the image. I will do the same with the top and sides. Click Save and you will see the updates reflected here. The logo is still a little big, so we are going to adjust the size by editing the width and height. Click Enter to apply the changes. I am now going to add some text that I already wrote to the body. First, copy this text here. Click Back to Layout. Select and drag the text block below the logo. Paste the text into the text block. We are going to save, and we have successfully created our first template. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you are not already signed up with GetResponse, then I have the link in the description. Also, the next video should appear in front of your screen here. See you in the next video.